Hey! In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this smartphone. Firstly, access Devices Settings, scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Now you need to select one-handed mode over here and click on this switcher to activate it. After that, follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, just click on this gray area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!